In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Content Manager in Wix. Whether you are new to Wix or looking to enhance your site building skills, this tutorial is designed to make your journey smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the Wix website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where all your wonderful projects are neatly laid out. Next, locate the Edit Site button. You'll find this option associated with the specific site you want to work on. Clicking it will open up the Wix editor, a fantastic place brimming with tools to design beautiful online spaces. On the editor's interface, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the CMS option. This is the hub from which you'll manage your site's content like a pro. CMS stands for Content Management System, which, as the name suggests, is where you can deftly handle the various types of content your site will feature. Now comes the exciting part: adding content. You have a couple of choices here. You can either add a preset or create a new collection. If you go the route of creating a collection, be sure to give it a clear and descriptive name. This helps keep things organized, especially as your site grows and more collections come into play. With your collection created, it's time to add fields. These fields act as placeholders for the types of information you'll want to manage. They can be as varied as text, images, links, and more, depending on what your site needs. Populate these fields with your data, sculpting a rich resource that your website can dynamically display. Once your collection is populated, connect it to dynamic pages or dynamic elements on static pages. This step bridges the gap between your content and how it's represented on your site, ensuring that your visitors see everything precisely the way you've designed it to be seen. The power to adapt and optimize your content doesn't stop there. You can filter, sort, and customize the display of your content so it shines exactly how you envisioned. Whether you want to list items alphabetically, display only certain types of data, or showcase content by date, you have the flexibility to do so and present your work in the most compelling way. And there you have it, a concise and efficient way to master the Content Manager in Wix. By understanding these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a well-organized, dynamic site that captures the essence of what you want to share with the world. Keep exploring and honing your skills in the Wix ecosystem, and you'll continually find new ways to engage your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!